Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create this kind of a glass text effect in Photoshop. First, let's create a solid color for our background. Then, let's type the text. I have taken the word glass. Place it at the center and resize them. Please subscribe our channel and join our family for more useful videos. It will be a great motivation for me to upload more exciting videos on a regular basis. Okay guys, back to the tutorial. Now open Layer Style menu and decrease the fill to 0. We are going to make the glass effect on this Layer Style menu, so watch the tutorial until the end and get the best out of it. Choose Bevel and Emboss and do the following adjustments. Do the settings carefully to get the best result. Okay guys, next let's move on to the inner glow to add a glow inside the text. Set the following effects to the text. Next, choose Drop Shadow to give a little bit of more effect to the text. Click OK. You can change the background and also change the text, and you will still have the glass text effect. Okay guys, hope you understood the process of making this glass text effect. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you guys in another wonderful and exciting tutorial.